Today is day 2, Sunday. So ang unang bitaw guys na category is ladies category. Ayan. Ladies category. Good luck. Tapos sunod tayo dito. Alright. Mga bago pa lang sa ating YouTube channel, welcome back ulit. At yung mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, better na makapag-subscribe kayo guys at comment lang po ang mga opinion nyo sa gustong manood ng ganitong content. So good luck po sa lahat ng riders. God bless. Safe ride. So kayong bibitaw guys, abangan ng ating content hanggang matapos.
Ko po ngayong umatras. Lahat po na nariyan, atras po tayo. Salamat po, Barangay Lauingen, Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur. Boss, atras po. Kapag naglaro na po, bawal po tayo. 7, 9, Kish Alpeto! Kish, kaway Kish! Nalitan. 1, 1, 6, 2 laps. 1 hour, 2 laps, 1 hour. Get ready. Left hand, say taas ng helmet.
Ladies, please, pakilagay po yung gulong nyo sa ano.
Left hand on top of your helmet. Left hand, boss.
Ito na,
Left
sit
hand
guys.
on top of your helmet.
Rock and roll. Ito yung unang category na bitaw.
Left hand on top of your helmet.
Today Sunday, ladies category.
Guys, get ready. Let's wish all of them victory at the finish line. Let's go, everybody. We'll be having Tasmania Valley 114 leading the race. Everybody, Isa Mendoza. Red jersey, Isa Mendoza 75. Tasha coming in. 2 riders crossing the first hurdle. Welcome to Active Polo and Euro Cross last night. 116, next one, sir. Rider to rider lang ang tutulong. Rider to rider lang. Guys, that's Isa Mendoza. Next to Isa. 1 tire away. Now Joe will help. Rider to rider will be allowed to help only one team member. That's that foot shot on the first elevated trunk. Guys, leading this race so far so good. 75. 79 is going out. Keith. Alberto is only in to help. He's now going out. 79. Kish is helping out. 98 and 117. Helping out. That's not about there. Guys. Jordan Choco. Next to Jordan Choco. Every guy in Jordan Choco helping out. That's not about it. That's behind our leader, Isa Mendoza. That's not about it. That's mucho. That's mucho is now being held by Joe. That's Choco. Every guy's helping out. That's not about it. That's not about it. Guys, tulungan niyo po. Let's pray for them. This is a very high hurdle that they have to succeed. Pinubuhat na po ng dalawang riders, rider to rider help. Erika 118 and 98 German show helping out Tasha Rabbit. Tasha 114. Yes, Mucho now yes, she is now crossing the second elevated tree truck. That's Des Mucho 116. A few more. Push! Buhat! No, Tasha! Des Mucho is now crossing the last elevated. Good job! Tasha is moving forward. Jordan Choco behind. 118, that's Erika Sosa. For this, sometimes going down. progress and camaraderie. Ito po ang malalakas na larangan ng Motul FJ Moto Enduro Cross. This Berkshire is trying to attempt to cross the tire. Two riders from our leader, Luisa Mendoza, Nacho Remade, and Mucho. Inches away, Trevor Choco. 98 is on the fourth for this first lap. And right behind Joe, it's Eric Garzosa, 118. Guys, wait for them. Tingnan nyo po kung paano po makuhay ang mga riders. Only one rider if you can. Rider to rider help on the same category. Good job, guys. We have a strong lineup. We have our media team. One. Isa Mendoza, two. Casa Levade, three. That's Mucho. It looks like Trevor Choco will be crossing. Trevor Choco on the first position. And here is the obstacle course. 98. Trevor Choco. And coming back. Casa Levade also helping out. It's helping out. That's how it up. Away they go. Dasha will follow. We have four riders on the go. But the next turn, the next turn. Second turn. Away they go. Behind them, Dasha will have it. I know you're all waiting for this. Let's go, Erica. Hindi na lang guys. Tingnan niyo po ang riders. We have medical team, eye contact. There they go. Another rider out. What's up guys? This is the first. This is the first turn. Now the second turn. Guys, we have medical team. Please eye on. Only our officials and rider to rider. Kiss will be wearing her job. Kiss is 79. Kiss. 118 guys. Erica Ochoa coming right at you. Charles, kunan mo yan. 118. You see our rider on the next second turn. 118. Erica Ochoa. Our riders, 5 are now out there in the mountains. Guys, look ahead. Safety first. We have our teams here monitoring the safety of all of our riders. We have one rider. Is Alberto behind Kiss.
Hindi mo kasi i-practice eh. Hindi, kahit, ay, oo nga pala no. Oo. Dapat biglayin niya yan. Oy. Oy, oy, oy.
Easy, relax. Breathe. Erica, relax. You can do it, Erica. Erica, 118. Let's go. Jaya, you can do it, Jaya. Let's go, Jaya. You're second to the left. Sa start line. Lahat ng riders na may motorsiklo sa start line. Ito muna sa gilid. Let's go. Jaya Lianes. Second to the last.
Hoy, pakitali yung kan, pakitali.
Kakainin ng gulong.
Oh, kainin ng gulong, pakitali. Pakitali.
Guys, supportahan Erica Ochoa. Relax. 1 hour, 2 laps to. Guys, get ready. Watch for their return. 2 laps for ito. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all wish them all a safe race. 114, National Average. 107, 98, Sean National. And 118, Eric Ochoa. Rider po, na may-ari ng motor sa start line, pakilabas ang motor. Palabas na ang motor. Yung po na sa start line, exit po muna ang motor. Riders, please. 5-9, Rider 5-9. Rider 5-9, please. Away from the start line, we still have 2 laps po ang all females. Ladies and gentlemen, Tabi, thank you very much, Fritz. Guys, let's go back. Let's all wish them a safe ride. This is the last night. The morning is 6 p.m. Let's go, take all the way through across. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yan, mga binata dito, kilala tayo guys. Vloggeran tayo. Ayan. So ayan, ito po yung truck dito sa may ilog. So di na po tayo nagpunta dun sa starting line at finish line. Dito na po tayo mag-video guys. Kasi medyo malayo. Dito na lang tayo mag-video guys. Ayan. Ito yung nauna. Constantino ang sama.
Skylar?
Constantino.
Kaplaya din. Sa kanila gusto.
Constantino ajay.
Anan nga ako sa litin isa ko.
Naman. Ano nito hoy? J2. So ang kategory natin guys is J2. Ito yung pangalawa. Pangatlo.
Hindi kayo magkapituwa.
Oto tila kay Rinaldo. Overall champion. Iti senior class.
Ay.
Kailangan namin. Malikot by first leg.
May kapat.
Ay!
May kapat atoy. Ah, nya ka mamaw. So ito guys yung panlima. Mangusong sama.
Nato, dito road. Kanan!
Ito.
Nangusog. Under yes? Ikaw siguro ata.
Adrian.
Okay, ako nila sila eh.
Tsaka mo.
Nico Marquez, awan, ni Russell Coloma. Okay, sige, hindi yan
Diay, diay.
Diay, nakalabaga.
Oh, niso.
Kamplaya diay. Ay, wala ko mo.
Drixel Jones. Nakuha na yun. Pumasok ti Kwato. Ngay pumasok ti Pujom.
Inamak na
Mariano Hawkworth. This is a Mariano.
Taga Bagyo data. Taga Bagyo. Sino mo talaga doon? Ayun. Oh, ino. Oh, na.
You want to flow too. Just the network.
Plato. Ito yun yung number 1.
Constantino. Ayan.
So, Constantino. Oh, ini suna. Ay, shit. Kinahagis tayo nag-nose dive. Gis tayo nose dive. Taga Mindanao na ta.
Constantino, tapos Tuhoy, Sumaruno, kita. Ada yung anak ni Tuhoy.
Naguray ka.
5 minutes sama, di bakit nakin yun ha?
Ito yung pangatlo.
Eden Ramos! Steven! Go, Eden!
Dikit. Adrian. Ay sa balik. Han Abindano. Ay sa balik. Stuck mo yung butso na di ay. Uy na stuck na eh. Stuck engine. Bun. Hatawam!
She came from I saw her.
Ikinom. Magbig. Oh, Dave Makapas. Awesome. Amar may kadwa. Yung pangalawa guys. E3. Alam namin. Paspas na talaga nih. Awesome. Ay, burnok. Burnok mga usong. Pangatlo. Tohoy. Ay, sus. Nah. Mamat talaga tingin talaga. Dikit. Dikit tilaban. Mabalingag baliw pa man unta ma. Mabalingag baliw diyan tilags. Kamano rato yun may kaliman. Kayo. Ay. 6 days KTM. Wala diyan mapaturo ka. Six days KTM. Espanyol, sabi sila. Go faster, Joe! Oy, nose dive. Min minor. Delikado magaminta na eh. Pas nga talaga. Dave makapas. Ay ayam na talaga na gito eh. Amar. Jalan na. Sing-sing na portada lang talaga ang kedua. Bumawi mo itata ni makapas ta naabak yi kapas iso na diba? So yun guys, laglag si Burnok. Nahulog. Bata na to. Ay hindi naman. Tuhoy. Nalain kami natin mo. Dito jogging. Kita si Ubing ang kuha na yan. Dala-dala lagi dala. No. Nanti sore ka start taray na dagat simrek ti podium mo. Ang kambyo Panlima. Yung 6 days KTM. Wah, nih. Ngapasin? Naglaylo pa eh. Oh, gasan. May katlo nga likmot. Idol! Tuh, Kelix lang. Amar. Ada utar ni ni Kabahog, tatay, di kategori mi. Ang kumakamatan dito. Oh, kasem. Pura lang ma-overpower rin. De La Rosa. Nico De La Rosa. Guys, yung pinakabata. Ha? Ayubing. Ano taon na sir? 15. So yan guys, yung 15 years old. Yan, 15 years old rider. Ay, para tama yung motor na nga ako ah. Mga maka-change gear. Ni, nakakwarta lang. GTM 6 days, 5th place. Na? Pingay. Kumapoy guyod na nag-overheat. Niyawanan. So last lap na to guys. Last lap. Ito na yung champion, Dave Macapas. So 5 laps. 5 laps guys. Yung A3 category. Dave Macapas is the champion. Oh, kinahag baribar pa eh. So ito na po yung second place natin. Amar. Sila di mo pa yung makita ti panog kanya damay.